Mary's back in town, so you're not getting a call, but I'm just a working guy. Enjoy your drink, Steve.
Whoops.
Are you hurt?
It's usually a budgie that sits on the shoulder. Hey, not.
You're hurt?
Not hurt. I'm thrilled for you.
Hey.
Stay on my boat.
There, now you can both sit nicely there. Look at you.
She got the hiccups.
She's got the hiccups.
Will the gentleman be returning?
She's got the hiccups.
Stand like this.
Silly dog.
You didn't have enough battery, did you?
You want the good news, the bad news, or the very bad news?
Just tell me what's going on.
This time the homeowner was packing heat. Killed all three of them. I think it's over, Allison. I think it's all over.
Have you got a brown paper bag over your head?
Very bad news.
Your boss is still in the hospital.
Supposed to fix
I need you to
it.
get dressed and come down and help me interrogate the sausage and your gun down these three bastards.
What was on his hair?
What is it, Lily?